Did you know that the average American spends over $1,500 a month on non essential items? That's a whopping $18,000 a year. Imagine what you could do with all of that cash. That's why today I'll reveal simple frugal living tips that can help you save thousands without sacrificing your lifestyle. Welcome to the world of frugal living, where small changes lead to big savings. I'm not talking about extreme penny pinching or living like a hermit. These are practical, easy to implement strategies that can dramatically impact your finances. Ready to transform your spending habits and watch your savings soar? That's right, today I'll take you to frugal living tips with big impact. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and dial the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Look, we've all been there. You check your bank account at the end of the month and wonder, where did all my money go? The truth is, saving money in today's consumer-driven world is tough. We're bombarded by ads, peer pressure, and the allure of instant gratification. It's no wonder why many of us struggle to keep our finances in check. The biggest hurdle? It's often our own mindset. We tend to associate saving with deprivation, thinking we need to give up everything we enjoy to build our nest egg. But that's a recipe for failure. Sustainable financial health isn't about never treating yourself. It's about making smarter choices. Another challenge is the all or nothing approach. People try to overhaul their entire lifestyle overnight. Then they get overwhelmed and then you give up. Or they think small changes aren't worth the effort. So why bother? Then there's the knowledge gap. Many folks simply don't know where to start or which expenses to tackle first. They might cut out their own daily coffee but continue to hemorrhage money through invisible leaks like subscription services or energy inefficiency at home. But here's the good news. With the right strategies, these challenges are totally surmountable. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. So let's dive into the meat and potatoes of saving money, without actually eating meat and potatoes for every meal. Here are 7 practical tips that'll have your wallet breathing a sigh of relief faster than you can say clearance sale. Let's start off with number 1, mastering the art of meal planning. Meal planning is like being the director of your own culinary show. You're in charge, calling the shots, and avoiding those costly impromptu takeout orders. Start by planning your meals for the week, making a grocery list, and sticking to it like your life depends on it. Because your budget kind of does. So, keep things interesting. Try theme nights. Meatless Monday, Taco Tuesday, Stir Fry Friday. All you need is to get creative. Your taste buds will stay excited and your bank account will grow fatter. It's a win-win that'll have you wondering why you didn't start sooner. Remember, the goal here isn't to eat rice and beans for every meal, unless that's your thing. It's about being smart with your food budget while still enjoying delicious, varied meals. Number 2, embrace your inner DIY guru. Channel your inner MacGyver and start DIYing like a boss. From home repairs to beauty treatments, there's a YouTube tutorial for just about everything these days. Think about it. Why pay someone $100 to unclog your drain when you can do it yourself with just a $5 plumbing snake and the satisfaction of conquering your own pipes? It's like a real-life video game. Only instead of collecting coins, you're saving them. And ladies, before you drop $50 on that fancy face mask, remember that avocado in your fridge? It's not just for toast. Mash it up with some honey and voila! You've got a spa-worthy treatment for pennies on the dollar. Remember, the money you save by DIYing is like giving yourself a raise. A raise that doesn't require sucking up to your boss or wearing pants to work. Number 3. Become an energy-saving superhero. Time to put on your cape and fight the evil energy-wasting villains lurking in your home. These sneaky power suckers are draining your wallet faster than a teenager with your credit card at the mall. Start by switching to LED bulbs. Yes, they're a bit pricier upfront, but they last longer than most Hollywood marriages and use about 75% less energy than traditional incandescents. Next, wage war on vampire power. That's the energy your devices suck up when they're off but still plugged in. It's like paying for a buffet long after you've left the restaurant. So use power strips and turn them off when not in use. And here's a shocking fact. Lowering your thermostat by just 1 degree can slash your heating bill by up to 3%. So embrace your inner polar bear and bundle up a bit more in winter. Your bank account will give you a warm, fuzzy feeling to make up for it. Number 4. Master the art of the side hustle. In today's gig economy, side hustles are hotter than a fresh batch of TikTok dance moves. So it's time to monetize your skills, hobbies, or even your junk drawer. Got a knack for graphic design? Well, you can freelance on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Love dogs? You can start a pet sitting service. Heck, even that collection of vintage Beanie Babies gathering dust might be even worth something on eBay. Remember, every dollar earned is a dollar you don't have to pinch from your regular budget. It's like finding money in your coat pocket, except you put it there on purpose. Number 5. Become a negotiation ninja. Time to channel your inner hostage negotiator and start haggling like a pro. You'd be amazed at how many bills and services have wiggle room in their pricing. Call your cable, internet, and phone providers and threaten them to leave for a competitor. Suddenly, they might discover some quote-unquote special promotions they forgot to mention. It's like magic, only instead of pulling a rabbit out of the hat, you're pulling savings out of thin air. Even medical bills can often be negotiated. A study found that 93% of people who negotiated their medical bills got a reduction or were allowed to set up a payment plan. Those are better odds than finding a matching sock pair in your laundry. Number 6. Embrace the quote-unquote cooling off period. Impulse buying is the arch nemesis of frugal living. It's like that friend who always convinces you to go out on a Tuesday night. It's fun in the moment, but you regret it the next day. So, implement a 48-hour rule for any non-essential purchase. If you still want it after 2 days, go for it. But often, you'll find that burning desire to own a banana slicer or a life-size cardboard cutout of Nicolas Cage has mysteriously vanished. For online shopping, fill your cart but don't check out. Companies often send discount codes to quote-unquote remind you about your abandoned cart. It's like being rewarded for procrastination. Finally, a use for that skill. Number 7. Get creative with entertainment. Entertainment doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. In fact, it doesn't have to cost any body parts at all. You can explore free days at museums and galleries, since many offer monthly free admission or pay what you can days. It's like sneaking into a VIP event, but it's legal and with more paintings. Or you can host potluck dinner parties instead of eating out. It's a chance to show off your culinary skills, or lack thereof, and enjoy a night in with friends without the hefty restaurant bill. Plus, you can wear your comfy pants, which is always a win-win. You can even take advantage of your local library. It's not just for books anymore. Many offer free movie rentals, ebooks, and even passes to local attractions. It's like Netflix, but with that old book smell we all secretly love. If that's not enough to convince you, how about we zoom in on the real game changers? If you're looking for the biggest bang for your buck, pun intended, focus on these heavy hitters. First up, meal planning. This simple habit can slash your food budget by up to 25%. That's like getting a week's worth of groceries for free every month. Next, tackle your housing costs. Whether it's negotiating your rent, refinancing your mortgage, or downsizing. This is where you can save hundreds, if not thousands per year. And lastly, master the art of saying no to unnecessary expenses. That daily latte, unused gym membership, or impulse buy might seem small, but they do add up fast. Cutting just $5 of daily unnecessary spending saves you over $1,800 a year. Remember, frugal living isn't about depriving yourself. It's about being intentional with your money and aligning your spending with your values. When you focus on these big impact areas, you'll see your savings grow faster than you ever thought possible. We've covered a lot of ground, from meal planning to DIY projects, from energy saving to side hustles. These simple changes can lead to huge savings over time. So remember, frugal living isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that align with your financial goals and your values. Also, what's the craziest thing you've ever done to save money? Share your wildest frugal adventure in the comments below. Bonus points if it actually worked. Let's see who can claim the title of Ultimate Frugal Mastermind. Well, that's basically frugal living tips with big impact. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Want you to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.